Satan is one of the concepts signifying evil in the Islamic faith. This entity, which strives to divert people from the path of Allah, was cast out from Allah's presence and swore to mislead humankind. Consequently, Satan perpetually endeavors to lead people astray. The fact that this reality finds a place even within dreams is a situation that greatly frightens people. An individual who sees Satan in their dream wonders about the meaning of this vision upon awakening. Seeing Satan in a dream is a powerful indication that some people present in the dreamer's life who appear as friends are in fact enemies. Furthermore, this dream also points to greed and various forms of wickedness in life. Seeing Satan in a dream generally carries negative connotations. It is thought that the person who has this dream may possess bad traits, envy what others have, and harbor ill feelings within. Therefore, seeing Satan in a dream is mostly interpreted negatively. Seeing oneself being deceived by Satan in a dream is explained as a wealthy person losing a significant portion of their fortune. Additionally, this dream includes interpretations that the person will fall under a heavy burden of debt after this material loss, and later, succumbing to greed, will also lose their job. During such a difficult period, no one will help the dreamer, and the person will be left alone. Seeing Satan touch oneself in a dream is a warning against slander that will be cast upon the person's family and home. It may also indicate the presence of an enemy who tries to drag them into evil and divert them from the right path. Therefore, such a dream is interpreted as a sign that the person must be extremely cautious. If a person sees themselves defeating Satan in their dream, this is considered an indication that they are strong enough against difficulties and evil. However, another interpretation of this dream is that the person will become involved in a great evil or get mixed up in affairs that will bring them trouble. If a person sees themselves talking to Satan in a dream, this usually means there are many people around them who aim to harm them. The large number of these malicious individuals should prompt the dreamer to be even more cautious. Seeing oneself giving something to Satan in a dream symbolizes a situation where, due to carelessness or lack of precaution, the person gives an opportunity to someone who could harm them. Seeing oneself as Satan in a dream is one of the types of dreams that greatly frightens a person. This dream is evaluated as a sign that the person is being drawn into wrong behaviors and actions. It is believed that a person who has such a dream has deviated from the path of Allah and may therefore experience difficult days. Seeing oneself driving Satan away in a dream is narrated as the person possibly resorting to foul means and deceit to achieve their goal. In this case, it is of great importance for the person to turn away from such behaviors and return to the right path. If a dreamer sees themselves beating Satan in their dream, this indicates they are a virtuous person who stays away from evil. This is one of the positive interpretations related to Satan. Such a dream can show that the person is extremely careful about their lawful sustenance and diligently avoids impermissible gains. If a person sees themselves fighting and defeating Satan in their dream, this is accepted as a sign that they will also triumph over their enemies in real life and, as a result of this success, attain fame and renown. Other interpretations regarding seeing Satan in a dream are as follows. Chasing Satan in a dream denotes acting righteously and doing good. Being afraid of Satan, however, indicates relief from grief and distress. Seeing Satan in your dream is generally interpreted as suffering harm from an enemy. Satan is also interpreted as committing many sins, deceit, and trickery. It is also said to signify separation between spouses. Seeing oneself capture and bind Satan in a dream is a sign of overcoming one's enemies and gaining superiority over rivals. Seeing Satan giving one something in a dream is interpreted as acquiring wealth through illegitimate, forbidden means.